The Cosmos Club Washington, D.C. app. The pros, the cons. If you're a member of one of Washington, D.C.'s most prestigious private clubs, the Cosmos Club app promises to enhance your membership experience, but is it really worth downloading? One of the biggest pros is event management. Most people get this wrong by thinking the app is only a directory. In fact, it allows members to view upcoming lectures, social events, and networking opportunities. You can RSVP directly through the app, keeping your schedule organized without having to call or email the club. Another advantage is member connectivity. The app provides access to club directories, news updates, and announcements, making it easier to stay informed about happenings within this exclusive community. Notifications ensure you don't miss important events or opportunities to engage with fellow members. However, there are cons. Some users find the interface a bit dated and less intuitive compared to modern apps. Certain services like booking dining or accessing special club facilities may still require phone calls or in-person visits. Limited functionality can be frustrating for members expecting a fully digital experience. In conclusion, the Cosmos Club app is a useful tool for managing events, staying updated, and connecting with fellow members. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies some aspects of membership, it doesn't fully replace traditional interactions or the personal touch that defines a private club experience. If you're a member looking for convenience in managing your social calendar, the Cosmos Club app is a helpful companion, but it works best when combined with classic club engagement.